You know that sleep improves if you sleep without socks. I don't know why, but this works for me. What about you? Stop for a moment, make cookies, and check what has already happened in your life. Don't you think everything is connected? I guess every moment, every episode in your life, it's really connected. Can someone ban the advertising of useless things? I mean, I need 1 minute to wait for what? 5,000 euro in 1 month, and you need to do nothing for that. Really? Who believes in this? Peep. I'm more worried when I talk to someone who is good on the outside, but bad on the inside, than vice versa. What doesn't happen, happens for your better. Why are you boring if you don't drink or smoke? Now nobody is looking for a serious relationship. Now they're looking for a good fast... You understand me. As soon as you tell someone about your successes, everything goes wrong right after. As soon as you start making videos, your neighbors wake up. I don't know why, maybe I'm unlucky. Unfortunately, in life, either they eat you or you do it. Or you maybe remain neutral. The best thing about adrenaline is that you can push the limits. Has anyone noticed how fast time is passing now compared to 10 years ago so quickly?